Welcome to the Naseems Accountants YouTube channel. Today, we will discuss how to use a personal tax account to manage tax credits. Your personal tax account is a quick and safe way to manage your tax credits online. You can use it to view your payments, renew your claim, and to tell HMRC about any changes. Once you've signed into your personal tax account, you'll see your home page. If you look at the main heading of Benefits and select the Tax Credit subheading, your tax credit summary will appear. This will show any claims for working and child tax credits, as well as payment dates and the people you're claiming for. If you select View More Payments, you'll see payment details for the next 8 weekly payments and dates. For weekly claimants, we'll see the next 3 payments and dates. If you want to make changes to your claim, select Go Back to Tax Credit Summary, where you'll be able to renew your tax credits or make any changes, including your personal details, such as name or address, your jobs and income, for example, a change in working hours or earnings the people you're claiming for. You can sign out of the service once you've submitted any claims or changes, and you're satisfied your details are correct. Using your personal tax account means HMRC can check your claims quickly and securely, making sure you receive the right amount of money at the right time. For additional guidance and assistance regarding your personal tax account, call us for a free consultation at 01217714161 or visit our website at www.naseems.co.uk. Our expert team at Naseems Accountants is here to help you navigate through your tax obligations seamlessly. Subscribe for more valuable insights, and we look forward to assisting you in the future.